Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. All right, we have our Margaret Miller collage challenge. And since me and Stella been doing all this blue booking, I just kept right on with that thing.
It's going to be super pretty.
For our week 27, we have something representing a holiday, a toy, a written line from a song, water in some form, the sun, and the bonus is a shoe or shoes. So what I did was water in some form, so we only glued that down because I wanted to put our stencil stuff down, was this magazine page that had the glacier and water in it. My line from the song is "What's Love Got to Do with It?" And we have the sun, and we have our shoes, which is some flip-flops, and I used our doubt and put this texture down and use the stencil for the flip-flops. And you know, you can't have flip-flops without some sunshades. And I figured we needed some sunshades because you know the sun and all that ice and water is bright. So we got us some flip-flops here. And you know, we got Stella's colors, pink and purple, for the flip-flops. And you hear Stella Bug, she's still on that. She done left her game now and she going to YouTube, watching the YouTube. So we got our sunshades and our flip-flops. And then we're going to go on and do our sun. And our sun's kind of winsky. It looks like a flower sun because, you know, it's so bright. And little sun leaves popping off of it. Because it's hot, even though it's freezing cold where the ice glaciers are. We're going to take some orange. I went through and found all my markers for us. I got a bunch. I found a bunch of markers. Didn't I, Stella? You listening, Stella?
Mm-hmm.
I found a bunch of markers, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
You did find a bunch.
I still got a bag I need to go through. Alright, it's a busy day here. Everybody's doing something, listening to something, watching something, talking about something. Busy day on the Back 40. Alright, got that going. Then for I put beauty down just because it reminded me of our stuff. Then for our holiday, depending on what stage in your life you in, this is either Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. One stage you want it to be Valentine's Day so you can have some sweet times. And one stage, Mother's Day, so maybe they'll leave you alone, you can relax. You know, at one point you just want a date to yourself. Bring me some breakfast, some bed. Let me have me a hot soaking bath. And don't say mama more than 10 times. Okay. We're going to put that right over there. Okay, and then for our toy, we got some, depending on what generation you in, we either have some binoculars or a VR game. Just depending on where you at in life. Okay. So now we've got that. That is our week 27. We got this to fold and stick right up under here. I didn't forget this time. All right, there we go. Our week 27 all in the bag. Y'all have a good week. Bye.
Bye.